This guys, we keep an eye on this SGOC, guys. SGOC, keep an eye on this, because if it starts to break that 21 with a good volume, that's the secret here, guys. With a good volume, long over 21s, but we want to see the volume coming in. This is not good. These volumes not good. We want to see this. Let's stay stepping volume. So if it does come, there's a good long here, and then maybe even long over 22s. So entry, add. Yeah, so there's a potential on this one, guys, with a stop, by the way, 1950s under 1940s. There it goes. It's about to go. 1940s. It's about to go. I'm looking at it, guys. I'm looking to long it. So I managed to get 2106, guys, on that break. On that break, 2106. This one I want to see quick reaction, guys. I want to see quick reaction, and I don't want to get I don't want this to actually come back to my entry. So I will be putting my stop just under 2019. Bit tight on it, but that's fine. It's looking good. It's looking good. Maybe partial is due. I'm looking for a partial, guys. 2260s, 2260s. Yep, 2260s. I took a quick partial, guys, because I know these things can move very, very fast. So I need to be really fast with it. 2260s. There we go. Lovely. That's a trade. And putting the stop to break even. Stop to break even now. If it does come back and gets a bit choppy, then I have got a bit of a safe zone there. So I've locked in a really good partial here. First partial, really good exit, by the way, and entry was good as well. Very good entry. Stop back up to break even instantly as it started to work, and over 23 as well, guys. 23 over 23 could be an add point, but it's a bit too late. Over 22 was definitely an add point. '90s, yes. 24s, 2410s, yes. Come on, 2417s, 20s, 30s, 40s. I'm taking some out. 40s, guys. 40s. Took some out. Around right at the top. So this was a really, really good trade, guys. This is the trade of the day. I still think if it does come back up to 24s, it will try to go and break the previous highs. So it could be a really good short squeeze today, as it's been doing for the past 2 days with today. So yes, on Friday as well, it's done that. So the possibility is there. Start putting my stop a bit higher so I can lock in some more. Right now I don't want to do that too much. I'm just gonna put it under 2170s. This is gonna take 25s out. I feel like it wants to take 25s out. Just need that volume to come in, that's all. Good. 24.50s. Right, 25s. We gotta hit those 25s. Let's go. 26. Whoa! Yes! 26. Let's go! Shit! $1 spike. It literally jumped from 25 to 26. Freaking hell. Yes, yes. Halt. Halt, 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 halt. 26.66. It's halting. It's gotta halt. Yep, yep. It's halted. Guaranteed it's halt. It has halted. Boom! Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put my stop under 24, just under 24, guys, and 23.70s. So remember, guys, this is where I'm moving here on my main platform. I am actually having separate sort of ways to adjust and move my stops. So I'm out fully 26.60s. I feel like it will go for another round and it will be a crazy one. Any questions? Leave in the comments. Anything you want me to cover, guys. Just remember, guys, we are taking these kind of trades every day, day in, day out, and I am alerting them as I go along.